And we can see that yesterday the price has made indecision candle, but the price has stayed where the previous day has closed, which is a very important information. And we can see the price movement almost a bullish pin bar, not right at the support level, which would indicate a pretty fast move up and also to move the market to the higher price levels. But we can see that the price could not manage to go down all the way to the support level. It has come very close to it. So we can say this bullish breakout the day before was confirmed, where the prices come very close to this area of support, and then we can see the prices turning back up, especially on the 4-hour time frame. We can see how the price has behaved yesterday. Now, when the price has reached yesterday, I have made the analysis right here where this bearish candle was, and I mentioned that the price, the support level precisely is around this area here where the open and close price of these two candles are located. And after that we can see the price could not manage to go all the way back down, forming a strong bearish candle, which would indicate a bearish breakout, indicating further decline in value. So I'll also move this one slightly. I will adapt, as I have mentioned yesterday, that I'm going to adapt the support and resistance level if this support and the resistance level is okay. And just a minute, I need to put this one, so this rectangle around this 4-hour time frame line, support and resistance line, is formed, and we can see the price could not manage to go further down. It has indecision candles and formed a bullish pin bar right here at the support level. After that, the price was trying to move higher, reaching again this area of confluence where the resistance and support located is, where the open and close of these two candles are located. We can see that here could not manage to go further up, and we can see by the end of the day the price has formed again a indecision candle and then finally made a bullish breakout with this candle. This is a candle for me that is a bullish breakout, and it is above this open and close price level. Now, where the price is going? Well, the price is going all the way to 4563 resistance level. This is something that I currently see here on the chart, and I'm expecting that price will go to this area of resistance. On the daily time frame, this is also a level where the price is trying to reach, and I'm expecting that price will try to reach the maximum around this area where these wicks are, and that is 4580. 4580. Let me see where the next resistance level is. 4580, right? It is around this area here. So this is where I'm expecting the price will reach today, potentially. Today is a Friday, which is a very important day. It is the day when the traders get out from their trades, locking their profits before the weekend, and that means potentially, because this is a bullish run which is also lasting for several days from this area of support, the buyers who have pushed the price from here and also from here will try to get and lock their profits at around this area of resistance, which is a very important resistance. We can see that, which means there is potential that the price comes very close to it, reaches, and then returns back down. This is one of the scenarios that is potential because of the Friday, but if the strong momentum is still active on the market, this could also end above this area of resistance. So for now, it is not very strong move, very large move, going from the 4532 where it is currently to 4563, but it's enough where I'm expecting the price will reach today. After that, we'll see on a Monday how the price opens, where the market is heading, and we need to wait to see how the price will react again around this area of resistance. Will it be bullish breakout, retrace back down, or stall around this area of resistance? That's all for today. Do not forget to join the Ultimate Market Broker I'm currently also using, so feel free to check and join with me, trading with them. The link is in the description, so you can also join if you would like. Feel free to let me know when you have joined so we can discuss in more details, and I will try to soon to show you my trades currently on the gold and also other pairs that I am currently watching. That's all for today, and see you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.